Hello family, if you're stopping by for the very first time, you're most welcome to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm making omena, sukuma wiki and asida. I saw this at the supermarket and remembered someone had requested it a very long time ago and I had no idea where to buy them in Australia. So here we go. I start by cleaning the omena and the vegetables. I gave it a couple of rinses with hot water, drained it and set it aside. I also added a little salt and tossed the bowl a couple of times to evenly distribute it, though I did not capture that bit. I'm not a fan of omena, so it helps knowing that someone here enjoys it, so it didn't go to waste. It turned out so good that it finished in one sitting with just a tiny amount of it left over, and it was finished the next day. I move to prepping the vegetables before I start cooking because once I start, everything moves fast. Once the vegetables are ready, I heat some oil in a pan and fry the omena until they are slightly golden and crispy. Fry them in batches to achieve a crunchy finish. I place the fried omena on a paper towel lined plate to catch the excess oil and repeat the process until all the fish is done. In a separate pot, I heat some oil and sauté the onions. The ingredients for this recipe are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Before they start browning, I add the tomatoes followed by the coriander stems and capsicum, then stir to combine. I add seasoning cubes. I'm using a combination of chicken and beef seasoning cubes. I also add black pepper and the spices. I'm using dhana, jeera, paprika and turmeric. Please find the quantities used in the description box. I add a little water and allow this to simmer on low for 5 minutes. As this is going, I wash the sukuma and chop the onion and tomato. I know it's not ideal to wash chopped vegetables because you lose nutrients, but I guess it's just a habit because I didn't chop them myself. Once ready, I set them aside and finish off the omena. I check for salt and seasoning and add the omena into the pot. This is too dry, so I add a little bit of water and the chopped coriander leaves. Adjust salt to taste and let it simmer on low for a minute and turn the heat off. If you try this recipe, let us know what you think in the comments section. For the sukuma, I heat some oil, saute the onions and add the tomatoes. Once softened, I add the sukuma and vegeta and cover for a minute. Stir the sukuma and let it cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. Adjust salt to taste and cook for a minute before setting it aside. Up next is the asida or ugali. I have a helper today, so I won't go through the steps, but check out the video linked above for how to make asida. The food is now ready to serve. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and enjoy my simple recipes, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment down below. This is all from me today. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.